Okay, we're going to start our journey of review for the final. It's probably going to take 8 videos, we'll see. But we're going to start off with scientific notation. How do you write this in scientific notation? We move the decimal to get a number between 1 and 10. Oops, let me change this. Here we go. So it'd be 4.0 times 10 to the number of times we moved it. And the original is bigger, so this is positive. Here we move the decimal, 7.5 times 10 to the, we moved it 4 times, but the original is smaller, so it's negative. So negative means this gets smaller. So 1, 2, 3. This one, positive, so this gets bigger. Move it once, that's 4, 2. And then we need 3 zeros to finish off the 4. Now simplify. So we go 3 times 2. Now this is the only time you use x for multiplication when it's scientific notation. So 3 times 2 is 6. 10 to the 6 times 10 to the 4th. When you multiply two things the same base, you add the powers. So this one, 5 times 7 is 35. Times 10 to the negative 6 plus 8 is 2. But this number has to be between 1 and 10. So I move it over 1. So this would be 10 to the 3rd. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. When I divide two things same base, I subtract the powers. 8 minus a negative 2. Two negatives make a positive, so it'd be 8 plus 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Negative 8 minus 4 is negative 12. Now, for scientific notation, you can have a negative in the power as your answer, but when you're doing laws of exponents, you may not. But anyways, 6 times 4 is 24. X cubed times x to the 7th is x to the 10th, because when you multiply two things same base, you add the powers. So this would be y to the 18th. Here, when you have something in parentheses to a power, you raise everything to that power. 3 cubed is 27. X to the 6 cubed is x to the 18th. 8 goes into 40. That'd be 5 on the bottom, 1 on top because it canceled out. X to the 6 divided by x to negative 2. 6 minus a negative 2 would be 6 plus 2, or bring this up to get rid of the negative, would be x to the 8th. And y to squared on the bottom. 4 of these cancel with 4 of these. So you still got 2 left over on the bottom. Anything to the 0 power is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Okay, negative, bring it down. So it'd be 1 over x to the 6, x to the 4th. The negative disappears when you move it. So this would be 1 over x to the 10th. And negative means you need to flip the term. So it'd be 3 over 2. Then the 2 means square it. So it's 9/4. Hey, oops, 9/4. Hey, we just finished our first video for the review. Only 5 minutes. Hey, bye-bye.